Hello, hello, hello. So today we are doing grid game 2017. You are given a zero index 2D array grid of size 2 into n. Okay, so do it. And where grid of R C represents the number of points at position R, comma C on the matrix. Two robots are playing the game on the matrix. Both robot initially starts from 0, 0 and want to reach 1, comma n minus 1. Okay, so they want to reach here. Each robot may only move to the right of the RC or to the bottom of down to the RC. Cool. So yeah. At the start of the game, the first robot moves from 0, 0 to 1 and collecting all the points from a cell to its path for all the cells RC traversed the path is set to 0. Okay, so if this comes here, this will be 0 and okay, cool. This will become 0. So if first one travels this path, then all of these paths will be 0 and then they will not be counted. Then the second robot moves and collecting all the points from the path. Maybe the first robot wants to minimize the number of points collected by the second robot. In contrast, the second robot wants to maximize the number of points it collects. If both robots play optimally, return the number of points collected by the second robot. Okay. So first, the first robot walks, and then the second robot walks. Okay. So, huh, I think this is a thought. It would like this is somewhat that is coming. What would be the maximum that it could get from if he comes here? If he comes here, he gets two, uh, and if he goes down, he gets one and this. Okay. If he goes down from this part, he'll get the sum till now, which will be two, plus the right sum of this. So including this. At this point, he'll get 2 plus 5 plus the right sum of this. At this, so we can find out at which point the maximum would occur, and then we just calculate the first row and subtract the maximum. So I think I have the answer. We'll calculate the left sum, a prefix tree and a suffix for the second, prefix for the first, and then I think we can. So okay, so let me try to do like you know, this is the idea. So prefix for the first row. So um, 2, 7, and what's the third number? 4. So 11. Suffix for the second row. Second row. So 7, 7, 6, 1. Okay. This would be the suffix for the second row. Now, what will be if at this point the change happens for the first? So, what will be the maximum? 2 plus 7 is 7. Okay. If at this point, so that would be 9. At this point, if the change happens, it would be 7 plus 6. So, that would be 13. So, now our index, we'll save this index. Now, if we come to this point, it'll be 11 plus 2, which is smaller than 13. So the index will still be here and we'll let it be. Now we just do 11 minus 7. and we get an answer. So I think that's a proper optimal answer if I am not getting it wrong. Uh, hmm. Okay, I am getting it wrong because of the third answer. Okay, I do maximum of all like, so this will be 4 and the numbers that are below this. So uh mm, so at this point so 7 minus 6. Yep. So maximum of numbers that are after, like, after this. So it's 1, 4 and 1. So answer will be 4. So for the both rows, I'll take the maximum. So I think I have the answer. Let's try to do this. Vector and n m is equals to 2 and n is equals to grid of 0 dot size. Is the size, the size is different, no? Yeah. Vector and pre sub of size n comma 0 n comma 0 ah n comma 0. Okay, cool. This is it. Now, uh, okay, so for int I is equals to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus, pre of I, so pre of 0 is equals to grid of 0 comma 0, grid 0 0, grid of 0 0, and stuff of n minus 1 is equals to grid of 1 comma n minus 1. Okay, now let's start I from 1. P of I, P of 1 is equals to P of I minus 1 plus grid of I, grid of 0 comma I. Yep. Okay, yeah, and sub of I is equals to uh sub of n minus I, n minus I, sub of n minus I minus 1 is equals to n minus I plus sub of so grid of 1 comma n minus I minus 1. Okay, this works. This seems to be working. Like, this would work. So if I do a dry run, I would have n minus 1 to be 2, and the last index will be 2, and then I is equals to 1. For I is equals to 1, n minus 2 will equals to suffix of n minus 1 and grid of n minus 2, which works. Good. Uh, Now, once I have this prefix and suffix, I could further optimize this in the later steps, but right now let's keep it in this way. Uh, Once I have this, what can I do? So for when I is equals to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. Now, now, int answer is equals to int. What? Okay, let's int robot one is equals to robot one wants what does robot one wants to do? He wants to maximize his score. So int min. Okay. Now cool. And answer is equals to 0. Let's say right now. So int min. Now robot one, if pre of I plus suf of I, pre of I plus suf of I greater than robot one, in that case answer is equal to max of this index, the next index minus the first index, this index. So what if what if it is the last index? That will be an edge case. If I is equals to n minus 1, in that case answer is equals to um, okay, of I minus 1. Cool. Now Oh, I minus one. Something wrong that I feel. I is equals to n minus one. Okay, I is here. First thing first, robot one will become this. Okay. Now I is equals to. So, see, I is here. If I is here, then this robot can go and have this path or have this path for like maximum. One, two, four, five, seven, six, seven, nine. Let's say. Uh, three, two, four, eight, six. Uh, and let's say this is the point. All will be zero. And this all will be zero. Okay. Let's say this is the point. And the number are random. This all and this all will be zero because it takes. So either it could take this path or this path. There's no other option that he could take. Either he could go take the upper path and take all of them, or take the bottom path and take all of them. So yeah, second robot does not have any option. That is good. So, but why did I close it? So when I is this, like let's say I reaches here, he takes the all of the top and also takes this one. Okay. Should I also calculate the right of this left 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 prefix of the second one also? Let's say this was instead of 7, it was 8. So it was 2, 1, 5, 2. Then uh, sum of all the numbers before this number. Sum of all the numbers before this number. How do I get sum of all? So 7 minus 1 will give me that. Yup. Yup. Actually, 7 minus uh stuff of 0. If it was 8, let's say 8. So 8 minus 1 would give me 7. 7 will be 5 plus 2. Yeah. So 7. So that's how I get that. I is equals to n, so second line only. And if I is 0, then anything should I do? Half of 0 minus half of I, half of 0, that will be 0. And okay, so else answer is equals to max of 3 of n minus 1 minus 3 of I, comma, this should work, but let's see. Yeah, works for now. I think I shouldn't optimize the space. Wrong answer. Okay, it is not the correct answer. 2020. 23. And let's try this out. How the suffix and prefix trees are made. Let's see. Wanted to try that test case. Hmm. See, 17 plus. Okay, this calculation would be correct, but 2023, yeah, it seems to be correct. So robot is int min, answer is 0. Now I is equals to 0. Now 20 plus 99 is greater than int min. Yep. So robot 1 will get 20 plus 99, 119, and this will not go inside this. Max of P of n minus 1, 125, T of I, 20, 125 minus 20 is 105, and suffix will be 0. So 125 should be the answer. 105, 105. Makes sense. This works. Cool. Yep. 43 plus. This will also not go. Oh, 116 will not go. 104 will not go. One and one will not go. 89 plus 22, 11 will not go. 106 plus 20, 126. That goes. 126 goes. 126. Nope. 125 minus 106 is uh 19, which does not work. Uh, 99 minus 20 is 69, which is a working 69. 69, it will become 69. 79, 79, 79. 110, 127, 127 is greater. Yep. So, so 125 minus 110 is 15, which does not work. 99 minus 17 is uh, 82. It works. 125 plus 3 is equals to 128, which is greater. I don't need this, uh, but let's say 1996. It should be an answer. All I have got the question wrong. I've gotten it wrong. What is the question? Let's read it again. The first robot wants to minimize the number of points collected by the second robot. In contrast, the second robot wants to maximize the number of points it collects. Cool. First, 1 minute, I'll be back. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, so the first robot wants to minimize. So let's take answer is equals to int max. Let's do this job. And smaller than answer. If max of either the upper leftover or the lower leftover is smaller than answer, don't need robot one. Can calculate this and A is equals to, let's do this. A. I mostly think that opting compiler should optimize this, but I myself am, and this is wrong. Okay, so that's not an issue. Mm, no, okay. Uh, I can't even figure out this this case because it'll be so difficult to figure out this test case even. This is sad. It'll be difficult to debug why this answer could be wrong. But my output is negative something. So let's make, okay, I guess long, 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 long. Hmm. Is there any range for and something? Some range I'm missing? No, I don't need M. Let's remove that. First things first. Now, hmm, okay, so this is int max. And then what is long, long max in C++? Uh, a long max. This will fix this issue. Let's submit. Yup, we have this. How much time did we need? We did 37 minutes. 37 minutes is not bad. Okay, should do better, but not bad. Okay, now let's optimize this a bit. So and long sum one comma sum two is equals to zero. Is equals to zero. This will be equals to this. Sum two is equals to this, and sum one plus is equals to sum two plus is equals to cool. We have sum one and sum two, so instead of this, we can use sum one. Let's just run and see. Yep, that works. Now we can eliminate these arrays. So how do I eliminate this? So two values, long, long, rob, mm, a a is equals to 0, comma b is equals to 0. Cool. Now, okay, c plus is equals to grid of I, B plus is equals to grid of n minus I minus 1. So C, B. That makes it work. You know, 0, 1, and which makes it the wrong answer also. So where am I going wrong? At 0. The C will become 2. Hmm. I still need this. I guess I can do it with C. Yep, can do with C, so I can remove this pre. Some space optimized. Let's try to submit. Somewhat better. 6651, which should be better, like from this 5830, 5930. Yeah, somewhat better, but not that much. Let's do it even better. So, how do we make sense of this second? So, I can have this as B and increase B afterwards. So, will this work? Should work. At this point, नहीं करना. At this point, it is 0. At this point, it will be 1. 1? No, 6. So, sum of everything minus the sum till here. If this was the point, it will be 1. It will be 1. If this was the point, it will be the sum till here. So, 0, 1, 5, 6, 0, and 6. 0, 1, 6. So, that should be correct. So, if I did this, this seems correct. Okay, so this should be I. Yep. So that's how I can remove this also. So yeah, did not increase anything once I got 100. But pace-wise, did not. Okay, oh, I still have this now. Yeah, so I can remove this. Obviously, if yeah, 161, 100. So yeah, 100, 100, 100, all hundreds. I'm happy about that. I count three, getting three in a row as a good sign. Can I remove this someone and some two? I don't feel like that. I don't seem like that. And this seems like a good place to end this. How much total time? 45 minutes. Uh, Not as fast as I would want to. I want around 30 minutes, 40 at max. Still not the best, but yeah, this is it. This is LeetCode 2017, and I'm happy about it. Coolio, coolio. There anything I would want to do? No. I should go look at the hints. Let's look at the editorial prefix and suffix forms. All same similar ideas. Oh, there's only one idea. Accumulate us. Yeah, I don't think I need this also. So some two I don't need. Some two I don't need. Is there anything else I don't need? Ah, someone, see, I'm using. So, yeah, this seems good. Mm, Okay, I don't need this variable. I can just do minus equals to someone. Eliminated one more variable. I think this is the most optimized it could be. 176. Probably someone is using something, some language, something, I don't know, for much better space. I've got the ideal solution though. I'm happy about that. Okay, I guess this is it for this stream.